Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be playing, I wanna test the game, but every time I die I'll be playing a quack sound effect and that'll be really annoying. And also I'll just skip to when I'm in game. Okay guys, so yes, let's see. Okay. Quack burger, that's so annoying.
This is the end.
Quack. Yo, that's actually really annoying. Quack. Okay guys, I'm back from that and really sorry for that. Quack. Bro, the most annoying thing in the world, hearing a quack when you die. Quack. Bro. I'm locked in now. Quack. Yeah, maybe I am not locked. Quack. Come on, man. What happened to my skills?
What?
Quack. Bro, this is so annoying.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Quack. Wait, when did I add this part? Quack. This is starting to get really annoying. Quack. Stop reaching me out! Get up. Quack. Bros. At least that way gives me time. Quack. So annoying. Okay, why am I keeping trying? Quack. Bro. Quack. Bro. Quack. I'm about to literally rage the hardest I could. Quack. I don't even have any more words to say, bro. This is so annoying. Quack. Why did I just literally become bored? Quack. I need more words. I cannot handle this anymore. Quack. Bye guys. See you in the next video.